boys and girls, we're going to play handfuls today. Now you might play handfuls with some pasta at home, or you might have some pegs, or you might have some counters. I'm going to play it with counters today. I've already pulled out my handful from my counter box. So I'm going to put these aside. And the first thing I wanted to do with my counters is that I'm going to estimate. And I'm going to estimate that there's probably about maybe 17 counters here. All right, so I'm going to put them down. And the first thing I'm going to do is think about how can I arrange these in a way that I can look and know, or I can start to count how many counters are there. So you might start thinking about that you can arrange them in a way that you see them on the dice. So for example, you might see them as a 5 on the dice. So I'm going to just start arranging them into 5s and see what I find. I can see that I can keep making 5s over here. And I can see that I have 3 left over. Okay, so I know that I have 3 5s and I have 3 left over. But I also know something more. So I also know that I know 3 5s makes 15, and I can do some counting on. I can say 16, 17, 18. So my estimate was close, it was 18. But I can also see something different. I can see that in my groups of 5, I actually know 2 5s makes 10. So I know now that I have 10 here, and I have 5 and I have 3. So I might actually start doing some rearranging with this one over here. And I might rearrange this one into 8. So now I can actually see 10 and 8 more I can look and know. So I might just know that 10 plus 8 is 18, or I might need to do some counting on again if I'm not sure and I don't trust that that is 8. So I know 10, and I might say 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yes, I know that there's 18 there. But like good mathematicians do, you're going to start to do some recording of your handfuls. So you're going to think about, what did you learn here today? And you might record it in pictures as well. So today I found that 10 plus 8, 10 plus 8 equals 18. But I'm thinking about the way I saw it before I rearranged these counters into 10 and 8. I saw 5, so 3 groups of 5, and I saw 3 left over. So I knew I had 5, 10, 15. So I might do some skip counting, 5, 10, 15. And then I might have got to here and I said, well, I need to do some counting on 16, 17, 18. I knew I had 18 altogether. Or I might have said 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. And then 3 more, 3 more is 18. So I'm going to think about 18 in some other ways that you might know as well. So let's have a look. I wonder if we can arrange them into a different way again. Okay, well, I can start to arrange them maybe in the way I see the 3 on a dice. So I'm going to have a look here and start arranging it into groups of 3s. I wonder if I'll still get 18. Oh, look at that. I've got even groups of 3. Oh, okay. I'm going to get my paper out again, and I'm going to think about the number 18 again. So I'm going to say, what have I found here? I know 18 is the same as, let's see how many groups I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As 6 groups of 3s. Or I might write it using an addition sum. So I might say 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus one more 3 equals 18. So we're thinking about 18 in lots and lots of different ways. Okay, let's think about another way that we can think about 18. How else can I arrange these dice? Let's have a look. Oh, well, I can have a look here and I can see that if I was to join these two groups together, I actually have 6. So I wonder what would happen if I start rearranging my numbers. 3 double 3 is 6, and I can see that here, and I can see double 3 is 6. So I'm still thinking about the number 18, and I'm thinking about, well, 18 is also, so 18 is, let's have a look, is 3 6s. So 18 is the same as 3 6s. And you might write it like this. Three 6s. Let me put across through that. And you might write it like this. 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 18. And you might even be clever enough to redraw the counters you see. So today we thought about 18 in a few different ways. If you have a look, we saw 18 as 3 6s. We saw 18 as 6 groups of 3. And then we also saw 18 as 10 plus 8 equals 18. So when you're doing handfuls today, have a think about your number and the lots of different ways that you can show your number. All right, enjoy handfuls.